Hi everyone, my name is Top Gear Linus and I'm here to share with you another video about how to stand out in any workplace even as a beginner. If you're new in your job, you might feel a bit isolated, lost, lacking confidence, and don't know where to start, how to interact with your team. Today, you're in luck because I'm gonna be sharing with you 10 things that help me stand out in my workplace even as a beginner. So let's begin. The first one is being proactive, not just reactive. Instead of waiting for tasks, find ways to help out someone or your manager, how to help your team. Find ways to communicate with them first. Find ways to do the task first at hand instead of waiting for the task to come to you. That's one thing that you can stand out in your workplace. Second thing is mastering the small but powerful habits. This is, let's say, paying attention to your time, being punctual, also doing your follow-ups if you need to follow up on things. And the third thing is to do your end result reviews. So this is what I use and what I do at work. I always check in before the end of my day. I always check in that I don't have any pending tasks that needs to be done for that day. And if there's any pending tasks, maybe these tasks can be done tomorrow or the next day. So those are the small things, and being on time is really. The third thing is showing enthusiasm and curiosity. This is for you to approach your manager or your team. Let's say they're doing something good for themselves. They're doing something at work that might help you out. Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to learn from them. Take in whatever you can learn, because then this can be beneficial for your career. And also, it helps you to stand out because they see that you are approachable and you're willing to approach them just for you to learn. The fourth thing might be challenging at some point. It is to network and build relationship with your colleagues. This one takes a lot of time and you can't really rush this. So when you're in your workplace and you have your team, ask them if you can help out in small things, because I promise you there's one colleague or two maybe in your team that is kind of behind of work schedule and they might need that extra hand to help them finish with their tasks. So don't be afraid to connect with them and build relationship. This builds trust and they feel that they can rely on you for some things that they may need help out, and still you stand out. The fifth one, this one is depending on the person, but this is to develop a strength that you're really good at. This means that you become the go-to person for your team. I will give you an example. Myself, I'm really good at multitasking. I'm really good at analyzing a problem and coming up with a solution firsthand. And every time my team, they're kind of lost on something, they would just call me, hey, I need your help with something. Can I get your feedback on this? And I become the go-to person because they see that I can analyze a problem. You'll have that critical thinking, and I'm able to give them advice and solution firsthand before it becomes worse. So that's my strength at work, and I become the go-to person for my colleagues and they have asked me for help. Sixth, this is communicating clearly the why, the what, and the how. So I'll tell you what it does that mean. This is to why you're doing something, let's say about your task. What are you doing and how are you doing it? So instead of just telling them that do this, do that, you are along the way, you're explaining to your team how you're doing things, what are you doing, why are you doing it? Because then it builds trust to them. They trust your process, and at the same time, they trust your capability and ability to share information that will be helpful to them. So this is something important that will help you stand out. Moving on, show respect and professionalism. This is to respect time and roles of others, your colleagues, your clients. Show them that you are professional to handle things in their way and the matter at hand. Don't be disrespectful. Let them know that you're there that you're respecting whoever you are communicating with. And this helps you stand out because when they see that you are respectful, they kind of give that back in a way or two. Number 8, this is taking accountability of your own actions. I've had a lot of colleagues that they don't really take accountability of the mistakes that they've done, and they either pass it on to you or they kind of blame you on the side. But if your manager or your colleagues at work sees that, oh, you're taking accountability of your mistakes, you are trying to find a solution, and you're trying to bounce back, that one actually helps you stand out, because not only is that you respect them and you respect them enough to be accountable for your own actions, you're also showing them that you're respecting yourself, because you are doing something to help yourself be a better person or be better of your work. Number 9, I cannot stress enough how this is very important as well. Respect your manager, respect your reporting manager. Show them that you respect them, that you're professional with them. Show them that you care. Show them that you respect their feedback, that you respect their priorities, and that you are willing to learn and you are committed to your career growth and their success. Why do I say their success? Because everything you do, the good things that you're doing, it's reflecting to your manager. Because managers, it's really hard to manage people. Managing people is really hard than just doing your task on a computer. Okay, the 10th thing, the last thing, and I'm always gonna say this about in my videos that you are seeing from me, is the power of smile. Always smile, because smiling, it kind of helps clear the energy in the room. It changes the vibe in the room. And when you're smiling to another person, your colleagues, they see that you are approachable and you are a trustworthy person. I cannot tell you how many times I just smile at work and then everything just goes okay. Even when there's a problem, I just smile and okay, then how can we fix it? Then everyone is just brainstorming in the room to fix that problem and to find that solution. So keep smiling. Even it actually makes your day better, just a tad bit, when you smile. Smile. Those are the 10 things that I can share with you about how to stand out in any job, even as a beginner. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my video uploads. And comment down below. I want to see, well, what are the things that makes you stand out at any job or at your job right now, and let's share that to everyone so they stand out as well. Okay, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.